Professor Roger Abaday, mga amoning mga mentors before. And of course, Tony Ilango, the RAB Director of Napolcom. I-acknowledge din natin ang pinaka-senior na PNP, no? May kumpare, the Provincial Director of Misamis Oriental, sir. Di ko na naglantanan na kay Malugay ta. Also, professors, awardees, classmates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening. At the outset, mag-real talk muna tayo, and I want you to answer two questions and answer it honestly. If ever, right here, right now, mayroong papasok na philanthropist at may daladalang tusi-tusinang maleta containing 1,000 peso bills naman. At mamimigay sa atin ng tigwa 100 million each. No cuts, no ifs and buts, no condition. Honestly, sinong tatanggap? 100 million each. Taas kamay. 1. Walay kondisyon. Honest lang. 2, 3. Ang iba, tatlong may trap. Honestly, tatanggapin natin. Diba? But the second question, the same scenario, bibigyan tayo ng tagwa 100 million pesos. But, hanggang ngayong araw mo lang i-enjoy. Tonight, when you sleep, you will not be able to be awakened in the morning. May tatanggap pa ba? Wala na, di ba? So what is its implication? The implication of that, ladies and gentlemen, is the moment, every morning that we wake up, is an equivalent blessing. Actually, more than a blessing, more than 100 billion. Diba? Na-realize nyo ba yan? Every morning, pag nag-wake up tayo, it's considered a blessing worth more than 100 million. Kasi ayaw nating mabigyan ng 100 million, pero kinabukasan, hindi na tayo gigising, di ba? So, based on criminology research dapat based on data tayo research and census projections from the National Nutrition and Health Survey. It is estimated that an average of 107 Filipinos die per night due to sudden unexplained nocturnal death syndrome or SUNDS. Sa Dinisaya pa, urong. Walay gibate ha. Pagtulog, wala na kamata pagkapuntak. 107 buong Pilipinas. Di lang natin maklaro kay luwag man ng Pilipinas. Di ba? So please stop your seatmates. Yun na nga, salamat ka kay Lord. Buhay ka pa.
Salamat ka.
Thank you. Buhay ko mo.
So what is our reaction for this? Let us therefore develop the attitude of gratitude by simply thanking the Lord for waking us up every morning. And we do that starting tomorrow morning. Sa inyong cellphone.